thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, north central Logan County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17, the National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, north central Logan County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Expected damage to vehicles in Central Daylight Time. Locations of your thunderstorm include Stillwater, Mohall, Orlando, Lake Carl, Blackwell, and Lake McMurtry. Hazards. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following effects are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected.
My first capture of the day. Doubleheader.
Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Kingfisher, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Conditions.
This is a radar indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
On all 2021
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Redmond, Guthrie, Cedar Valley, Cimarron City, Medina, and Seward. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
iHeart app dedicated to bringing out your very best. Podcasts on fitness, saving money, parenting, and much more.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 81, effective until 11 p.m.
Okay, and now the rest of the alerts are going to be filmed on my phone because the battery on my camera is low. So, yeah, that'll be it for now.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Another doubleheader.
Your thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m.
So, 96.1 KXXY and 94.7 The Brew. KBRU.
This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: baseball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Okay, don't care.
People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding,
Alrighty.
vehicles.
And then momentarily I should be able to get IM up on my monitor. Okay, and of course my Wi-Fi is not working. There we are. And IMBot is now loaded.
Northwestern Oklahoma and southwestern Logan counties. At 5:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe
And then
storm was located 6 miles west of Cashion, moving east at 25 miles an hour.
Norman's already selected. Enable audio alerts.
This is a radar indicated threat. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Western Edmond.
Okay, that's good enough.
Cedar Valley.
I should be able to hear that something gets issued. So, yeah. That'll be it for now. We'll see if anything else gets issued. Okay, so severe thunderstorm warning just got issued.
25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2 and 16 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and inside of sturdy structures. Stay away from windows, roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Signal, Alec. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern and central Oklahoma. Sails are now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows in central Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Coyle, moving east at 25 miles.
Oh, wow.
Expected hazards include 60 miles.
96.1 KXXY just saved me because, I do apologize that I didn't actually catch the alert off of, no other radio. I was on the phone with, someone when the alert got issued. But luckily, they relay alerts over AM/FM radio, and there's a delay from when the alert gets issued, relayed over no weather radio, and is received by all the index at AM/FM radio stations. It, of course, takes a few moments for them to process the alert. So, yeah, luckily there's a delay, so I was able to still capture the alert. So, yeah. But at least I didn't miss it. So, yeah. Anyways, that'll be it for now.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles south of Meridian to near Edmond, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, sidings, windows, and vehicles. Wind damage, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Oklahoma.
Doubleheader?
Wellston, Christ, Arcadia, and Parkland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A thunderstorm was located near Alec, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour.
Oh, copyright.
Source: there have been several reports of large hail by train weather spotters east of Minnetonka. Impact: people and animals will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows.
Hopefully I don't get a copyright claim. Luckily I don't have a copyright strikes yet. So, yeah. ER310 here. I did recently put this back in service. What actually happened is one day it randomly just stopped displaying. The display went off and nothing was working. I plugged it into micro USB and it came on and it showed a full battery. But I unplugged it and it wasn't working. So I actually took it apart, and what ended up happening was what ended up happening was apparently the wire had fallen off. The positive wire for the rechargeable battery had fallen off. So what I ended up doing was I actually temporarily, until I get a soldering iron, I actually used a piece of tape to keep it in there. So yeah, because I was really wanting to use this radio as for DXing and catching AM FM alerts. Occasionally I'll use it for catching weather alerts as well, but primarily I'm going to be using it for DXing or really FM band scanning stuff. Most people call it radio DXing. I just find that to be kind of stupid, so I just prefer to say, you know, AM band scan or FM band scan. Occasionally I'll probably call it DXing, but I prefer just to say, you know, AM DXing. Well, I just said it. AM band scan, FM band scan, weather band scan, stuff like that. So, yeah. And like I said, primarily I'm going to be using this as my radio for catching AM FM alerts, because the siren on it is quite annoying. Like I said, occasionally I'll still use it for catching weather alerts, but the siren on it is quite annoying. So I'll primarily be using it as a AM FM radio. And also I'll be using this thing down here for AM FM. So yeah. Most likely, for the most part, I'm going to have this set on 94.7 The Brew, KBRU. And most of the time, this is going to be set on what is now 96.1 KXXY, because KXXY actually receives alerts not only directly from NOAA Weather Radio, but also from the State Emergency Management Office. So, yeah. Anyways, that'll be it for now. And I did actually manage to catch this alert using my proper camera. So, yeah. Anyways, that'll be it for now. I don't know why this thing doesn't like to activate.
Until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles out. The Weather Service issued 35 miles under thunderstorm warning for Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles out. 35 miles an hour. Sparks and Warwick. Expected hazard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Location of the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 4, effective until 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma.
In the
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe
Storm Prediction Center just issued a
alert for rapidly changing weather conditions,
mesoscale discussion
and possible warnings.
concerning
Stay tuned to
Severe Thunderstorm Watch 81.
radio and television outlets or internet sources for
Not
the
that I
latest severe weather.
really care about it, but
The severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern McLean County is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning
Okay.
remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Garvin, southeastern Grady,
Then-
and northeastern Stevens counties.
that's what we
At
want.
6:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Bray to 3 miles west of
Alrighty.
Lindsay, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact.
Sure, I guess I'll give feedback.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cox City and Aaron
Fine.
Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Please
lowest
leave this
floor of the
window
building.
open.
The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Oklahoma and southeastern Logan counties is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved. The severe thunderstorm warning for west central Garvin, southeastern Grady, and northeastern Stevens counties will expire at 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The storms which prompted the warning have weakened below severe limits. Therefore, the warning will be allowed
One.
to expire. However,
Up-
small
oh,
hail and
10.
heavy rain are still
Very
possible with
satisfied.
thunderstorms. The severe thunderstorm warning
10.
for northeastern Oklahoma and southeastern Logan counties is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for
Very
northwestern
nice.
Lincoln County. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
Very
severe
legible.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Very easy.
Dallas to 3 miles south of Wellston, moving east at 25 miles an hour.
10.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Very
This
nice.
is a radar-indicated threat.
Readability. Yes.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
10, of course.
Wind damage to roofs, siding,
Of course, my level of confidence for the National Weather Service is, of course,
Wellston,
supposed to be a 10.
Lloyd, Fallis, and Parkland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect
Alrighty,
until
go back to that
7:15
survey.
Central Daylight Time for West Central Seminole and Central Potawatomi counties. At
Okay,
6:33
how I like
Central
declare
Daylight Time. Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Little to 4 miles southeast of Brooksville to 4 miles northwest of Wenatchee, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Windows expected hazards include pinpoint wind damage to 3 miles an hour and trees. This is a radar-indicated threat. County. The following towns are North, Conroe, Vine, North, Middleborough, Olex, Azure, City, Wenatchee, Johnston, Windows, Louisville, Brooksville, Macomb, Middle, Lima, Centerview, and Harjo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until
Macomb,
7:30
Little,
p.m.
Lima, Centerview, and Harjo.
Lincoln County.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
A thunderstorm was located near Grade, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include
When you think you're done,
for your protection,
there's more.
an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Sorry, I didn't get my radios going off.
The National Weather Service in Norman has
That was
issued a
actually
severe thunderstorm
unexpected.
warning for Seminole County,
I was
East Central
eating dinner.
Oklahoma,
All of a sudden,
Northwestern
I hear
County, and
I am by
Central
chime.
Oklahoma, Potawatomi County, and Central
Didn't know what it
Oklahoma,
was.
Southeastern McLean County, and Central Oklahoma,
And then I heard the HH go
Central
off.
Daylight Time.
I knew that there was a lot on WXK5 and KJY 95. Tulsa.
Western Oklahoma County and East Central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Payton, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half side hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Okima, Ofuski, Ole, Hayden, Bearden, Castle, Mason. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 212 and 222. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorms near Earlsboro to near Tibby, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazards include hail up to
What on earth?
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, even across the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather.
I didn't know Tulsa issued stuff on KJY 95.
Internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Ofuski County and east central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Kellyville to 2 miles south of Dixie to 7 miles west of Welty, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-side hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Bristow, Ofuski, Kiefer, Kellyville, Depew, Slick, Welty, Milfay. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 183 and 207. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Ofuski County and east central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Payton, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind.
Whenever I hear headers, I'm going to unplug it.
Locations in or near the path include Okima, Ofuski, Ole, Hayden,
Let me set my phone down real quick.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Creek County,
I'm going to use the EAS
northwestern Ofuski County,
phone
and
holder.
central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Kellyville
Look who's right there. OKX. New York. Ladies and gentlemen, that right there is Upton. The author's famous for issuing special marine warnings at 3 a.m. So, and there's Mount Holly / Philadelphia. Then okay, today well, now something gets issued, I'm gonna be able to catch it. Hopefully. I wish I could get, what is that? KIH 27. I wish I could get KIH 27. I keep forgetting. KIH 27 out of Tulsa. Because then I would have been able to catch those tornado warnings back in November. Because you may remember, I think it was the first video that I used the Christmas intro in. It was either the last one that I used the OG intro, the OG intro, or well, not OG. Well, I guess you can call it OG, but the original intro, or the first video I used the Christmas intro on. And we'll see if we can catch that. Wait, no, that was issued under. That was Norman. I need to plug my phone in. Well, I guess I'll have to find a radio to keep on. What is that station? I have it running. Oh. KJY 95. I guess I'll have to keep a radio on KJY 95. Since stuff gets issued by both Norman and Tulsa. I really wish I could get KIH 27, but unfortunately KIH 27 operates on 162.550, which is the same frequency KJY 95 operates on. I'll try to get WXL 48 at Enid, because I think that also gets alert. It has alerts issued by both Norman and Tulsa. Also, I think Tulsa may actually tone. What's that called? Now what's it called? Winter storm warnings. I'm not thinking straight this evening. I cannot think straight. I have a lot of stuff coming up. I have a band concert on the 19th. I have a band concert coming up on the 19th. And then state testing is coming up. And from what I hear, the Oklahoma 7th grade the 7th grade state testing, the Oklahoma 7th grade state tests, because there's 2, 3, can't remember. But there are multiple tests that you have to take. I think it's just 2. I think it's math and writing. I can't remember. But anyways, I hear that the 7th grade tests are quite hard, so I'm also kind of nervous about that, but oops. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and that'll be it for this clip for now.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in southeastern Oklahoma, Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma, southern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, Onondaga County in east central Oklahoma, northeastern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, southern Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wewoka to near Ada to 3 miles west of Hickory, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ada, Holdenville, Sulphur, Vine, Allen, Robb, Stonewall, Tupelo, Francis, Calvin, Fitzhugh, Stewart, Bromide, Sesauqua, Garrity, Centrahoma, Horntown, Atwood, Hickory, and Clarita. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Central Southern Seminole, northwestern Onondaga, and south central Clarita counties. At 7:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located.
Oh, that's the problem. I am set up enable audio alerts. That was unexpected. And I am filming on my camera again because my phone is full. The storage on it is full. I need to go through and delete some stuff on it. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. That'll be it for now. I'm sure something else will get issued. So, yeah. Something from Norman. Today issued.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma.
Of course.
Southwestern Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma, east central Carter County in southern Oklahoma,
Well, the WXK5 has gone back to normal
central Oklahoma,
operations.
eastern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Gene Autry to near Mill Creek to 5 miles northwest of Pontotoc, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tishomingo, Dixon, Mansville, Rabia, Waymanaka, Mill Creek, Milburn, Bromide, Gene Autry, Onondaga, Fillmore, Reagan, Connerville, Warning remains